Oh boy. Here's the little rod releasing mechanism, version 1. Hope this one works good. We've got a hot glue gun here, and I'd love for this to work properly. Alright, first testing of the streamer drop. As you can see, I've added some cardboard along there, so that way when I flip the switch, there's a servo underneath that wood right there, and this arm will swivel back. They're moving this to in front of it, and it should fall. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. See, both sides dropped. Oh, I love it. And of course, when I land, this mechanism will probably rip off, so it's a one-time use. Better make this count. So here I am at my flying field, and I have the little contraption set up underneath my plane. Now I have an onboard camera on this, which I will be shooting as I drop the streamers, but I figured I'd get a view of it before it's completely torn off, because I'm going to make the assumption that when I land, that little 1/4-inch balsa strip is going to snap into 3, maybe even 10, and I won't be able to use it again. Luckily, the server I used is only about $5, maybe, probably even $3. But I'm not too heartbroken if anything breaks on this, but I'll fire this up, and I'll try to get some ground footage of it, and aerial. So here we go. I really do hate to announce it, but it appears that we have a rogue streamer that does not want to stay in his slot. He's come out 3 times. Probably gonna fall off when I launch it. 3, 2, 1, here it goes. 3, 2, 1, here it goes. Yes. Finally. Oh, this is great. It actually stayed on. Trying to release them. 3, 2, 1. They didn't come out. They're stuck on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's land this. It is thrashing my plane everywhere. Whoa, thermals. Okay. There we go. It's finally landed. Let's go see what the problem was. So I'm now here, and I see that both of them look to have deployed. This one is absolutely out. So maybe it broke? I'm not sure. Guess we can check. Nope, and we'll find out what is going wrong with this thing. We'll be back soon. Okay, let's just get this thing this time. Not too concerned anymore. There we go. One streamer's out. Let's fly. Let's fly. We can do this. Hey! I didn't flip the switch, but that counts. So you may be wondering, that doesn't look like 200 feet of streamers. Because it's not. Combine both of them. It's still not 200 streamers. Or 200 feet of streamers, sorry. Now the math that I've worked out here, the crazy wonky math, is each streamer is 14 feet, 1 inch, and a 60th of an inch. Not 60th, 16th. So basically, if you do 14 feet and 1 inch times 14 feet and 1 inch, that equals close to 200. So, because I didn't have a crazy 200 feet of streamers on my hand, I just used silly math to try and get the best possible results. Slaps down, and come in smooth as ever, and touchdown. Sorry, I couldn't really see that there, but there we go. So what you see here is a plane that has crashed. The entire mechanism has broke off, but I honestly am not too disappointed because we have reached 200 subscribers. Now, this number is not big compared to much anybody in the YouTube world, except for me. There's this guy named PiedyPew. I think you may have heard of him. He averages about 200 subscribers every 8 to 24 hours. So 200 for me, I think that that's pretty good. I'm just a fraction of PiedyPew. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you really appreciated what I have done for you guys, and I also hope that you enjoy all the videos that I will bring. So I feel like I'm saying enjoy too much, so I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be bringing more soon. Bye.